Hi everyone! Today I'm very excited to announce a brand new video workshop series of episodes. Part of the Entrepreneurial Success free video training and inside the module number 2 exploring industries and niches. And in this series of workshops we are going to put theory into practice for good. And we are going to build a new business from scratch. And you'll get to watch behind my shoulder how I build a new website, how I add content to this website, how I create products and services, and how I market this new project online. I could not be more excited to share this news with you, and the episode number 5 airs on September 1st, so make sure you keep an eye on your inbox for the details. Thanks for watching.